So that is obviously the Pacific Ocean. We're looking forward to arriving in Australia. Hello, Achim, how are you?
David,
Good to see you.
very well, and very nice to see you. And seeing you smiling there means that land is in sight. First of all, congratulations to you and the crew that you have made it so far already. And it's great to see you on board and to look healthy and happy.
Yes, this is really a message on a bottle. I was driven by United Nations Environmental Programme report that was put out by yourself back in 2006, talking about the fragility of our oceans, our biodiversity and ecosystems. The thing that surprised me was the lack of awareness around the accumulation of plastic in our ocean, what I call our human fingerprints. For me, this is a needless problem. We have this unnecessary addiction to single-use, what I call dumb Planet .10 throwaway disposable plastic, which is now choking up the system. When you start to think about waste, you can really recognize that fundamentally it's a design flaw. It's a design flaw. It's a lack of understanding of the material. It's a lack of understanding of how we use it, and more importantly, as we've seen from the effects of plastic in our natural environment, it's a lack of understanding of how we dispose of it. So the project was really born out of a curiosity to say, how can we enlighten, how can we inspire, how can we inform, and more importantly, how can we change the very story we've told ourselves that plastic is a valueless, cheap commodity. In fact, it is a resource that can be reused, and it's a resource, not waste. So we have to change the story so that it's valued, it's reclaimed, and reused in a responsible way. So the Plastiki went about doing that through innovation in material science around the structure that we created as a one-of-a-type material. The bottles that we use for our flotation were reclaimed from the trash. And I think over the past 4 months, or even over the past 4 years since the inception of the idea, we've worked incredibly hard to try and articulate the solutions, not just the problems, which, as you know, and you do so brilliantly at UNEP, is to articulate the opportunities to stop these issues that we're seeing today occurring in our natural environment that are detrimental.